After Christmas like we did last year?
I don't know. We can do it now, maybe. Are they still open?
I don't know. Let's see.
Oh, look at that. They turned it back on. Oh, shit.
They did. They did. They turned it back on.
Challenge accepted.
The challenge has appeared before us. Will we be worthy? Are you ready?
Let's do it!
Whoa! Oh, there are people inside.
They are?
Yeah.
Oh. Really?
I swore I just saw a shadow move.
Alright, well let's bring my bike over and we'll remove and run. We'll be back.
Oh, okay.
We will be. Hold on, no. It doesn't say it's open.
Maybe not. I could have sworn I saw a shadow on the inside.
Oh well, we'll bring the bike.
Yes.
To whatever.